Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are well. Students, today we will learn chapter number 10, that is the other side of zero, integers. Now class, in this chapter we are going to study about integers. Now let's start the chapter. Sakshi needed to find the number closest to 0 from a given group of numbers. She put these numbers on a number line, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. This is number line. Now class, answer these following questions. Which number was farthest from 0? Farthest, that is 9. Now, which number on the number line has the smallest value? That's 0. Now, if she moves ahead 4 units from 5, what number will she landed? Now, class, 4 units from 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 9. Now, what she get if she moves 3 units left of 0? 3 units left of 0, that is class 1, 2, 3. This is 3. Do you think the number less than 0 on the number line exists? Yes. Now class, come on introduction. So far we have studied about whole numbers. Class हमने किसके बारे में पढ़ा है? About whole numbers. There is no whole number less than 0. Less than 0 class कोई भी whole number नहीं होता. When we subtract two whole numbers, we subtract smaller number from larger number. But can you subtract these 3 minus 5, 0 minus 8 or 20 minus 35? Class, no, obviously not. So long as you have only the whole numbers to work with. The system of whole numbers is not enough for such operation. Thus, the system of whole numbers is not enough. Now, we need to extend our whole number system. Class, हमें अब उसको extend करने की जरूरत है. System to represent or interpret such differences. You can do these differences with negative signs. Class, हम उसको minus तो कर सकते हैं, but sign change हो जाएगा उसका. With numbers or just opposite numbers, say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Need to negative numbers. Class, need of negative numbers in our daily life situations which indicates oppositeness, such as class above, below, forward, backward, win, lose, gain, loss, ascending, descending, increase, decrease, deposit, withdrawal, and etc. Now class, we come across situation which involves the idea of direction, where to move these oppositeness with positive and negative sign. Class, positive sign and negative sign. Likewise, condition that is above, gain, increase, forward, ascending, opposite and win are represented by plus, means positive sign, and condition that is below, loss, decrease, backward, descending, withdrawal and loss are presented by negative sign. Okay, in the same way in case of numbers or counting numbers. बस यही क्या होता है, ये सेम वे क्या होता है इन केस ऑफ नंबर्स और काउंटिंग नंबर्स. बस ये हमारे कौन से नंबर्स होते हैं, इनको हम कहते हैं पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 एंड सो ऑन आर कंसीडर पॉजिटिव नंबर्स, एंड जिनके आगे नेगेटिव साइन हो जाता है वो कंसीडर होते हैं हमारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स. नाउ क्लास, इंटीजर्स, द कलेक्शन ऑफ होल नंबर्स अलोंग विद द कलेक्शन ऑफ नेगेटिव नंबर्स इज नोन एज इंटीजर. The collection of positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 are called integers. Now class, numbers -6, -5, -4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are called integers, where plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ये हमारे पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स हैं और ये हमारे जिनके आगे माइनस का साइन है वो हमारे नेगेटिव. नाउ द सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स इज डिनोटेड बाय फर्स्ट टू z. You can see here is represented by positive or negative signs. They are also known as directed numbers. Zero integer is neither positive, ना ही तो वो positive और ना ही वो negative है. So it is not a directed number. It is not a directed number. See, these are positive integers and negative and integer. These are integer tree. Now class, representation of integers on the number line. Draw a line, mark a point 0 almost in the middle of it. We mark some points at equal distance on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side of 0. Point to the right of 0 are positive integers and are marked 1, 2, 3, 4, and point to the left of 0 are negative integers. Thus, ये जो है क्या है negative and these are positive. Understand class? Thus, we get the number line representing integers. Since it is a line, it can be extended infinitely on both sides to represent any number of integers. Class, for every natural number, there is a negative number. For every natural number, there is a negative number on the other side of the number line at an equal distance of 0. Equal distance from 0, for example, minus 1, 1 are equal distance from 0, but on opposite sides, you can see here. But on opposite sides, minus 2 and 2 are at equal distance from 0, but on opposite sides, and so on. Comparing and ordering of integers. We know that every whole number on the number line is greater than every whole number on its left. We follow some convention in case of integers. Class smaller, greater. Now class 3 is greater than 2 since 3 is to the right of 2. Class 3 is right of 2. Now 2 is greater than 1. So 2 is the 2 is to right of 1. Okay. Now 1 is greater than 0 since 1 is to the right of 0. Now 0 is greater than minus 1 since 0 is to right of minus 1. Now minus 1 is greater than minus 2 since minus 1 is to right of minus 2. Now we can conclude that positive integers are greater than 0 and negative integers are less than 0. Positive integers are greater than negative integers. Greater the number, the lesser its opposite. Greater the number, the lesser is its opposite. 3, 2, but minus 3 or minus 2. So minus 2 is greater than minus 3. Now again 5 is greater than 1, but minus 5 is less than minus 5. Thus, if 1 and b are any two integers such that a is greater than b, then minus a greater than minus a less than minus b. Similarly, if a and b are two integers such that b is greater than a, then minus a is greater than minus b. Minus a is greater than minus b, लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या था b is greater than a. Now, therefore, minus 3 is less than minus 2. तो क्लास हम यहाँ पर सीरीज में चलते रहते हैं. Okay. Now, absolute value of integers. Yes, the absolute value of an integer is its numerical value irrespective of its sign. Now, it denotes how far the integer is from zero value on the number line, that is, it shows the distance of the integer from zero. Zero से उसकी distance बताता है. The symbol for absolute value is this. Now, for example, the absolute value of minus 3 is represented as this class, which is equal to 3. Minus 3 is equal to class. जब ये साइन लग जाता है तो ये माइनस हमारा खत्म हो जाता है. So it is 3. Example number 1. Example number 1. Write the opposites of the following class. 30 kilometer east. Increase in weight. So class solution. East का क्या होगा? West. Increase का west. Decrease. Loss का क्या हो जाएगा? Gain. Now class write an integer to represent each situation. Class loss के लिए हम negative sign का use करते हैं above या फिर किसी भी positive word के लिए हम positive का sign. Okay. Now come on example number 3. Write minus 5 integers less than minus 30. So class ये है हमारे integers. Minus 31, minus 32, minus 33, minus 34, minus 35. Now 8 integers more than minus 250. Class अब हम more than, so class अब हम क्या रखेंगे? उसको backward में रख देंगे. That is. Now come on example number 4. Write the absolute value of the following. Class that is absolute के लिए हम sign लगाएंगे. Now minus हमारा खत्म हो जाएगा. Now come on example number 5. Arrange the following from the least to the greatest. Least to the greatest. On the number line, circle the given integers. Now class, you can see here. Now as we move from the left to right, numbers go on increasing. Thus the given integers from the least to the greatest are -3, -1, 1 and 6. Come on, example number 6. With the help of a number line, find all the integers from -4 to 3. Let us represent both the numbers on the number line. Now class, अब इसके जो middle में numbers हैं वो सारे क्या होंगे? Integers. Now between -4 and 3. Class, you can see here, these are. Understand class? Now come on, exercise 10.1, question number 1. Write the opposite of the following. Now class, 20 degree below 0. So class, opposite 20 degree below का क्या होता है class? 0. Now यहाँ पे increase है तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या लिखूंगी? Decrease. Because we have to write the opposite. Okay, rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Indicate the following by using integers. गेन के लिए क्लास हम कौन सा साइन लगाएंगे? प्लस. विड्रॉल मीन्स हमने कम किया है, so it is minus. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 3. Write all integers between -8 and 3. Thus you can see -8 and 3. So it is -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -3, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Understand class? Solve the parts. Do yourself. Come on, question number 4. Complete the following number line and represent the given just on it. Now class, -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, now 14. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Now class, -9 where is? Here is. Now it is A. Now 6. B. Now -11. There is C. Now -3. D. Now 10E. And F -1. And that is. Understand class? Come on, question number 5. Compare the following pairs of integers using these signs. Now class, -13 or 5. 5 is greater than -13. Now class, 45. Rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 6. Arrange the following integers in ascending order. Class, ascending order में देने के लिए what is this? Smallest to greatest. Now class, -41. Now -15. Now class, 0, 7 and 16. Understand? You can see the B part. Now class, smallest के लिए -29, -7, now 8, now 30 and 45. Of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 7. Now arrange the following integers in descending order. Now class, descending order के लिए 0, -4, yes, -4, -5, -17 and -19. Now class, see the B part. Yes class, descending order सबसे बड़ा number, that is 13. Now class, 12. Now -12, -13 and -24. Of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 8. Which is greater? -8 or -44? -44. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 9. Which is smaller? Smaller class. अब हमें बताना है smaller. That is -100. Of the part, do yourself. Come on, question number 10. Simplify. Class, अब it is 8 and 2. That is 10. Of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 11. Answer the following using the number line. Now, what is the number what we get when we move 4 units to the right of -1? -1 के 4 units. Now class 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 3 number. Okay class, rest of the part do yourself. Come on, question number 12. Following is a list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Now class Sachin, 10 degrees below, so class minus 10 degree. Now 2 degree below, minus 2 degree Celsius. Understand class? इसी तरीके से आपको क्लास उसके इंटीजर्स फॉर्म लिखने हैं. Understand? Now class, come on, question number 30. State true or false. Every positive integer is larger than every negative integer. Yes, true. 0 is less than every positive integer. Yes. Now 0 is neither a negative or nor a positive. ना तो क्लास वो नेगेटिव होता है ना ही पॉजिटिव होता है. क्लास इट इज ट्रू. Now farther a number from 0 to the left, larger is its value. No class, it is false. Smallest negative integer is -1. False. 20 minus 26 greater than minus 25. No. Minus 25 is greater than minus 26. So it is false. Now class, come on. Rest of the question do yourself. Come on. Addition of integers. Addition of integers on a number line. To add two integers on a number line, we follow steps as 1. On the number line, mark one of the given integers. Mark one of the given integers. Now step 2, move as many steps as the second integer to the second integer to the. Now right to the first if the second integer is positive. Now left to the first, left of the first if the second integer is negative. राइट कब करेंगे? या तो वो पॉजिटिव होगा, लेफ्ट करेंगे तब वो नेगेटिव. स्टेप 3, the point thus we reach represented the sum of the two given integers. Now class, come on, example number 7. Find the sum of the following. 3 plus 4, 7. Now class 7 here. Minus 4 plus 7. Minus 4 plus 7. Class, you can see, in order to add minus 4 and 7, we first move 4 units left. 4 units left of 0 reaching minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we move 7 units to right. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is 3. Understand class? Now, in order to add minus 3 and minus 5. So class, first move 3 units left of 0 reaching. So class, हम पहले 3 units लिखेंगे, then हम 5 units. So it is minus. D, in order to add 6 and minus 2, we first move 6 units to right of 0 reaching. So class, पहले 0 and then we move 2 units. So class, it is 1, 2, 4. You can see here. Now, come on, example number 8. Using the number line, write the integer which is 6 more than 5. 6 more than minus 5. So class, first, here is, you can see here, we want to obtain an integer 6 more than 5. So we start from minus 5. Minus 5 से start करेंगे, proceed 6 unit to right of it to obtain 1 as shown on number line. Class, हमने यहाँ से start किया, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Class, what it is? And 6 more than minus 5 is 1. We want to obtain an integer 4 less than minus 1. So we start from and proceed 4 unit to left of it to obtain as shown on number line. Now class, you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is, hence 4 less than minus 1 is. Now class, addition of integers without using a number line. To add two integers, we follow certain rules. Class, हमारे कुछ rules हैं उसको add करने के. You can see rule number 1, if two positive or two negative integers are added, we add their magnitudes, absolute value and give common sign to their sum. Now class, अगर हम दोनों ही negative integers को add कर रहे हैं, so class, it is 8 plus 1 8 plus 5 13 और हम उनको कॉमन साइन दे देंगे, जो भी साइन में कॉमन होगा. अंडरस्टैंड? दैट इज. नाउ कम ऑन रूल नंबर 2. इफ एड अ पॉजिटिव एंड अ नेगेटिव इंटीजर. क्लास एक तो पॉजिटिव और दूसरा क्या है, नेगेटिव. फर्स्ट वी फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टू and the given sign of the integer which has greater numerical value. You can see here, which is greater numerical value, minus 36 plus 20, minus 36 minus 20, 16, as it is negative has greater value. You can see here, as integer with positive sign has greater value. Example number 9, add the following integers, minus 8 plus 5, that is minus 3. Now you can see B point and C point and D point here. Understand? Minus 43 plus minus 57. So class 43 minus minus plus it is 100. Now C part 265 plus minus 100, so 165, and yes, D part. Come on, addition of integers using token model. Look at these tokens, plus minus. Now class, green color token represent positive integers and red color token represent negative integers. To represent any integer, we use these red and green tokens. Red and green tokens, for example, plus 5, 5, now 3. A positive integer, a negative integer. Now class, let us add plus 5 and minus 3. We know that plus 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. We can also calculate by using token. Plus minus plus minus plus minus. So plus 2. Cancellation का हमने process किया यहाँ पर. Here a process token and a negative token cancel each other because the value of this pair of token together is 0. And if we remove all the 0 pairs, we are left with 2 positive tokens. So plus 5 plus minus 3 is equal to plus 2. Now come on example number 10. Add plus 5 and minus 8. So class again हम उसको cancellation method से करेंगे. From the above token model picture, we see that 5 positive tokens get cancelled with 5 negative tokens. You can see here. And we are then left with 3 negative tokens, this minus. Now come on exercise 10.2, question number 1. Using the number line, write an integer which is 6 more than 5, class it is 13. You can draw a number line and you can check also. 8 more than minus 6. Yes class, 8 more than minus 6, that is 2 class. Now class, rest of the part do yourself. Question number 2, use the number line and add the following. क्लास हम अपने नंबर लाइन को ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Now class, minus 3 plus 6 minus 3 plus 6 and 2 3 4 5 6, that is 3 class. Understand? ऐसे ही क्लास हम उसको 7 8 and minus 5 minus 6. There is 8 plus minus 6. Now class हम minus 6 से start करते हैं. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So class it is 2. You can see here. Understand? Rest of the parts do yourself. Now question number 3, add the following without using the number line. Class हमें add करना है without using the number line. Class it is plus 40 minus 40 plus 60, class it is 20. Now minus 31 plus minus 20 plus minus 51. Understand? Now rest of the parts do yourself. Come on, question number 4, find the sum. Yes class, question number 4, that is minus 13 plus minus 15 plus 14 plus 60. You can see here. Now class हम common sign को पहले हम करते हैं. Now minus 13 minus 15 plus 14 plus 60. Now class, it will become 28 minus 28. Understand? Now class 0, 30. 14 plus 16 plus 30. Now class 30 plus 30 minus 28 is equal to plus 2. Understand class? Now class see the B part. 265 plus minus 3. 138 plus minus 221. Now class 265 minus 338 minus 221 265. अब इसको हम ऐड करते हैं 338 now 221 now 95 559 now class 265 4 13 minus 6 that is 9 that is 2. Now class minus 294 is our answer. Understand? And B part is done. Rest of the parts do yourself. Question number 5. Complete the addition using tokens. Class it is 6 positive 6 positive 4. So class it is positive 10. Now minus 3 minus 4. So class it is minus 7. Of the parts do yourself. Come on. Number 6. Cancel the 0 pairs in the following 2 sets of tokens. Find the corresponding addition statement in each case. Class you can see here. Cancel. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 8. Okay class. Again you can see here. Cut class. Now it is positive 4. Understand? Come on. Additive inverse of an integer. Class. Additive inverse. Class a number is set to the additive inverse of if a plus b or b is equal to minus a. Here, if if any integer are either positive or negative, then minus a will be its additive inverse. You can see here, for example, additive inverse of 5 is minus 5. Additive inverse of minus 10 is plus 10. तो क्लास अगर वो माइनस नेगेटिव होगा हम पॉजिटिव कर देंगे, पॉजिटिव होगा हम नेगेटिव कर देंगे. Class it is additive inverse. Now subtraction of integers. Subtraction of integers on a number line. We know that operation is the inverse operation of addition. Subtracting integer b from a means addition. Additive inverse or negative of b to a. A minus b is equal to a plus minus b. Let us subtract minus 5 from 9 as additive inverse of minus 5 is equal to 5. So class 9 minus 5, so that is 14. Minus plus. Now on number line, this can be given as, you see here, 0 to 9. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 14. Come on, example number 11, subtract the following using a number line. Minus 4 from minus 11. Now class, the additive inverse of minus 4 is 4. So we write the differences like this. Now minus 11 plus 4. Now we proceed as in case of addition. That is, we first move 11 steps to the left of 0 reaching minus 11. Then we move 4 units to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 7. So now class minus 11 minus 4 is equal to minus 7. The additive inverse of 5 minus 5. So we write the difference as minus 8 minus 5 minus 8 plus minus 5. Now we proceed 8 in addition sum of number line. We first move at step to the left of 0 reaching minus 8 and then move 5 steps to the left of minus 8 to reach. क्लास पहले हम 0 से minus 8 then हमने क्या किया minus 5 1 2 3 4 5 that is 13. Subtraction of integers without using number line. Rule to subtract an integer from another integer. It is enough to add the additive inverse of the integers that is being subtracted to the other integer. Now class, come on, example number 12. Subtract the following integer. Minus 3 from minus 10. Now class, minus 10 minus 3. Now class, it will become minus minus plus 7. Again the same rule, that is minus 10. Subtracting of integer using token model. Token model class, we have seen how to add integers with positive and negative tokens. We can also perform subtraction using tokens. Let us subtract plus 5 and plus 4 using tokens. We take 5 positive tokens and take away 4 positive tokens as shown. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is now plus 5 minus plus 4 is equal to 1. Come on, example number 13. Subtract minus 7 and minus 5. Just here minus 7. Now we take 5 negative tokens from minus 7. We get 2. Minus 2. Now it is minus. Example number 4. Subtract plus 4 and plus 5. Here we have to find plus 4 minus plus 5. Put down 4 positive tokens, but there are not enough tokens to take out 5 positive tokens from 4 positive tokens. For this we put an extra 0. Now हम क्या करेंगे? Extra 0 paired data, that is a positive and negative token, knowing that this doesn't change the value of the set of tokens. You can see here. Now we can take out 5 positive tokens from it, and we are left with one negative token. That's we can come on exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Solve the following using number line plus 6 plus 11. Now class, we will draw a number line. Now class, पहले आप इसको ऐसे देखिए, plus 6 minus 11. So class 6 minus 11, that is minus 5. Understand? Now class, we will draw a line. We'll draw a number line. Now class, 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yes class. Here. Now class, minus 11 और plus 6. तो class हम plus 6 पे जाते हैं पहले. Plus 6 minus 11. Now class, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 5. You can see here. Understand class? पहले हमने क्या किया था class? हमने यहाँ से डायरेक्ट अपनी 6 पे गए. देन हमने 11 स्टेप्स बैक किया किसकी तरफ? माइनस 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is our minus 5 is the right answer. Understand class? अब क्लास, अब आप यहाँ पर B पार्ट भी देख सकते हैं. You can see here. Yes class, like this you have to make the number line properly. Now class, you can see here question is minus 3 minus minus 7 plus minus 3 minus minus plus 7. Now class, minus 3 plus 7, that is 4. Now class, you can see here. Firstly, move yes class. Firstly, move the 7 like this. Now 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Now we will reach at 4. So it is the correct answer. Understand class? I hope you all have understood very well and it is clear to you. Now class, A and B part is done. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 2. Subtract the following. Now class, you can see here 28 minus minus plus 30, that is class 58. Understand? 200, you can see here 200, 172, that is 28. Now class, minus 28. Rest of the parts, yourself. Come on, question number 3. Simplify the following. Minus 16 plus 18 minus minus 13. Now class, see the A part. Minus 16 minus 18 minus minus 35. Now class, minus 16 minus 18 minus minus plus 35. Now class, हम सेम साइन वालों को प्लस कर लेते हैं. माइनस माइनस प्लस, बिकॉज वी नो दैट. Now class, it is 34 plus 35. Now class, it is plus 35 minus 34, that is 1. Understand? Now class, see the B part. Minus 43 plus 82 minus minus 18 minus minus 100. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास. हम उसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे अब. माइनस माइनस प्लस 18 प्लस 100. नाउ क्लास, हमारे सारे ही साइन पॉजिटिव हैं जो चेंज हो चुके हैं, बस एक है माइनस 43. नाउ क्लास, हम इन तीनों को ऐड करेंगे, दैट इज 100, 82 plus 18. 0, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10, 0. Now 200, 233. Now class 7, 9 minus 4, 5. Now 1. Now class, it is 157. So class, 200 is bigger than 43, so it is positive 157. Understand class? I hope it is clear to you. Now rest of the parts, do yourself. Come on, question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Minus 18, so it is 0. So it is, here will come 18. Now class, minus 42 plus 42 cancel out, it is 0. Rest of the parts, do yourself. Now class, come on, integers in real life. Now suppose you open a bank account at your local bank. Class, आपने एक बैंक अकाउंट ओपन कराया है at your local bank with the 100 rupees that you had been saving over the last month. Your bank balance there starts at 100 rupees. Then you make 60 at your job the next day and you deposit it in your bank account again. आपके पास पहले 100 थे, अब आपने 60 rupees को अर्न किया और आपने फिर से उसमें डिपॉजिट किया. This is shown in your bank passbook as a credit. Credit का मतलब आपने जमा किया है. So your new balance is 160 rupees. बिकॉज आपका 100 रुपीज पहले था, आपने उसमें 60 रुपीज को और क्रेडिट कर दिया. क्रेडिट मतलब जमा कर दिया. नेक्स्ट डे यू पे योर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल ऑफ 30 यूजिंग योर बैंक अकाउंट. अब आपने क्लास 160 रुपीज में से 30 रुपीज को यूज कर लिया फॉर द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. नाउ दिस इज शोन इन योर बैंक अकाउंट पासबुक एज अ डेबिट. डेबिट मीन्स निकालना. तो योर बैंक अकाउंट बैंक बैलेंस इज नाउ 130 रुपीज. हमने यहाँ पे 30 रुपीज को यूज किया. द नेक्स्ट डे यू मेक अ मेजर परचेज फॉर योर बिजनेस ऑफ 150 रुपीज. अगेन दिस इज शोन एज अ डेबिट. व्हाट इज द बैलेंस नाउ क्लास? अब यहाँ पर आपने 150 रुपीज, लेकिन आपके अकाउंट में 130 रुपीज है. कैसे? तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. इज दिस पॉसिबल? यस, सम बैंक्स डू अलाउ योर बैंक बैलेंस. प्लस हमारा जो बैंक बैलेंस है, कुछ बैंक अलाउ करते हैं अपने बैंक बैलेंस को नेगेटिव करने में. यस, सम बैंक अलाउंस डू अलाउ योर अकाउंट बैलेंस टू बिकम नेगेटिव टेम्परेरीली. कुछ समय के लिए आप अपने बैंक बैलेंस को नेगेटिव कर सकते हैं. सम बैंक्स आल्सो चार्ज यू एन एडिशनल अमाउंट. कुछ चार्ज होता है क्लास उस पे अमाउंट. इफ योर बैलेंस बिकम्स नेगेटिव, कुछ अमाउंट का हमें उस पे चार्ज देना होगा अगर हमारा अकाउंट बैलेंस क्या होता है, नेगेटिव, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंटरेस्ट और अ फी. या तो आप उसको वो एक इंटरेस्ट कहेंगे या फिर उसको फी कहेंगे कि आपने अपना बैंक अकाउंट को नेगेटिव किया है। योर स्ट्रैटेजिक लेजर, your strategic large purchase the previous day allows you to make 200 rupees at your business the next day. What is your bank balance now? Plus, अब आपने क्या किया, 200 rupees at your business next day. नाउ क्लास योर स्ट्रैटेजिक लार्ज परचेज, अब आपने अगले दिन क्या किया, 200 रुपीज को मेक किया, लेकिन आपने क्या किया था, पहले ही उसमें से 150 रुपीज निकाले थे, लेकिन आपका बैंक अकाउंट बैलेंस क्या था, 130 रुपीज। तो क्लास अब आपने यहाँ पर कितने बैलेंस होगा, 50 रुपीज, उसमें से आप कुछ इंटरेस्ट भी क्लास बैंक ने कट किया होगा। You can think of credit as positive numbers and debit as negative numbers. Credit means positive and debit means negative. The total of your credited positive numbers, debit negative numbers in your total bank account balance. This can be positive or negative class. In general, it is better to try to keep a positive balance in your bank account. As you can see, positive and negative numbers along with zero are extremely useful in the world of renting and counting. Now class, graphical cross sections. We measure the height of graphical features like mountains, plateaus and deserts from sea level. The height at sea level is 0 meter. Heights above sea level are represented using positive numbers and heights below sea level are represented using negative numbers. Come on, temperature. During summertime, you would have heard in the news that there is a heat wave. Heat wave. What do you think will be the temperature during the summer when you feel hot? प्लस हमारी वहां पर क्या होती है, हमें कैसा टेम्परेचर फील होता है, हॉटनेस होती है हमारे टेम्परेचर। इन विंटर वी हैव कूलर और कोल्डर टेम्परेचर। What has been the maximum temperature during the summer and the minimum temperature during the winter last year in your area? Find out. आपके एरिया में मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम टेम्परेचर कितना था? When you measure temperature, we use Celsius as the unit of measurement. प्लस हम क्या यूज करते हैं, डिग्री सेल्सियस। द थर्मोमीटर्स below are showing 40 degree Celsius and 15 degree Celsius temperature. Come on, exercise 10.4. Question number 1. Suppose you start with 0 rupees in your bank account. Class, आपने अपना बैंक अकाउंट 0 rupees से स्टार्ट किया and then you have credit 30, 40 and 50. आपने क्रेडिट किया 30 rupees, 40 rupees and 50 rupees और डेबिट किया है 40, 50 and 60. नाउ क्लास अब आपने 30 रुपीज को ही क्रेडिट किया था और डेबिट भी 30. नाउ क्लास अब आपने यहाँ पर 40 रुपीज डेबिट एंड 40 रुपीज क्रेडिट कैंसिल. नाउ 50 रुपीज क्रेडिट, 50 रुपीज डेबिट. नाउ क्लास अब आपने डेबिट किया है 60 रुपीज. नाउ अब आपके यहाँ पर क्रेडिट है 30 रुपीज एंड डेबिट अगेन 60 रुपीज. व्हाट इज योर बैंक अकाउंट बैलेंस? दैट इज 30 रुपीज. Understand class? It is minus 30 rupees. Now come on. Question number 2. Suppose you start with 0 rupees in your bank account. Again आपने एक बैंक अकाउंट को स्टार्ट किया. Then you have debits. आपने डेबिट किया है 1, 2, 4 and 1, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128 and then a single credit. But आपने एक ही सिंगल क्रेडिट किया है, that is 256. What is your bank account balance now? Class अब हम इन सबको ऐड करेंगे. Now 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 7 plus 8, 7 plus 8, 15 plus 16 plus 32 plus 64, 120. Now class 11 plus 2, 11, 13, 14, 15, 18 or 8 class 6. Now 2, 3, 4, 7, 16, 7 or 6, 13, 14, 15. नाउ क्लास इट इज इक्वल. अब हमारा हमने इतने ही डेबिट किया और इतना ही क्रेडिट किया है, तो हमारा बैंक बैलेंस क्लास अगेन 0 होगा. अंडरस्टैंड क्लास? रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस डू योरसेल्फ. नाउ क्लास कम ऑन. एक्सप्लोरेशंस विद इंटीजर्स. a hollow integers grid. There is something special about the numbers in these two grids. Now class, you can see here, this is grid number 1, grid number 2. Let's explore what is it. Top row plus 0, bottom row 0, left row, left column and right column again 0. Now class, you can find out here plus 5 and minus 5. So class, it is minus 3. Now It is minus 9 plus 7, that is minus 2. Now class, minus 3, that is 7. Understand class? In each case, the numbers in each of the two rows, the top row and the bottom row, and the numbers in each of the two columns, the leftmost column and the grid and the rightmost column, add up to give the same number. Give the same number, we shall call this column as the border sum. As the border sum of the first grid is 0. Below is grid having some numbers. Follow the step as shown until no number is left. Circle any number, stick out the row and column of the chosen number, circle any unstruck number. Where there are no such more unstruck number top at the circle number, you get sum minus 1. You can see class. Circle numbers 9 minus 1 minus 2 7, add these circle numbers, we get plus this minus 1. हमें क्या होगा क्लास, minus 3. हम उसको now write for these grids, try on these grids. Okay class, now class, your chapter is completed. Prepare it very well and we will meet you in next class. Thank you.